Welcome to Mumbai, India's city of dreams. If you're planning a short stay, here's a quick guide to the most iconic spots in South Mumbai, from sea views to heritage architecture. Start your day or wind it down at Marine Drive. This 3.6-kilometer stretch curves along the Arabian Sea and comes alive at sunrise and sunset. Perfect for a peaceful stroll or some classic Mumbai street snacks. Next, head to the Gateway of India. One of Mumbai's most famous landmarks. Built in 1924, it faces the sea. And marks the starting point for ferries to Elephanta Island. Not far from the gateway is Kala Ghoda. A heritage-rich art district known for its galleries, street installations, and colonial architecture. It's a great spot for photographers, art lovers, and cafe hoppers. CST station, formerly known as Victoria Terminus, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of India's busiest railway hubs. Built in Gothic Revival style, it's a masterpiece of colonial architecture. Getting around South Mumbai is simple. Use metered Kali Pili taxis for short distances. Most rides range from 50 to 100 rupees. Auto rickshaws aren't allowed in this part of the city. Budget hostels start at 800 per night, while decent mid-range hotels range between 2,000 to 4,000 rupees. Stay options near Colaba or Fort are ideal. Recommended for short stays: Colaba, Churchgate, Marine Lines. South Mumbai is slightly pricier, but incredibly walkable and full of character. Sample budget for 2 days in South Mumbai: solo traveler, local transport, taxis, 300 to 500 rupees. Accommodation, 2 nights, 1,600 to 4,000 rupees. Meals, street, cafe or restaurants, 600 to 1,000 rupees. Sightseeing is mostly free. Expect to pay 250 rupees for the ferry. Total between 2,500 and 5,750 rupees. Mumbai is a city that moves fast but always leaves space for discovery. Never miss a chance to explore the city whenever you are there. Hit like if this guide helped and subscribe for more quick city walkthroughs across India.